Hello friends, Cardan shaft extension. When making change to the design of the vehicle, it may be necessary to lengthen the cardan. Such a need may arise when prepare an off-road vehicle for competition. Installing another box, transfer case or bridges as a rule leads to the need to lengthen the drive shaft. This will also be required after this suspension lift. When lengthening the frame of the car. A striking example is the reworking of the 3 meters GAZelle under 4.2 meters. Vehicle will allow carrying a long length up to 6 meters in compliance with the exit for dimension of no more than 2 meters. If the model is rare and you can find a Cardan for sale, you can find a donor shaft and build it up to the required size. That's all guys.